So I have some questions with me here. The first question says, given that matrix A is 2, 3, 1, 0, and matrix B as it is, and C as you can see, then question A says find C transpose. So when we find the C transpose, we exchange. The rows becomes column and columns becomes rows. So in this case, we're going to say this is a matrix C. So since C is equal to we have 7, 6, -1, and 0 here. So this matrix C. So we're going to change the rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. So C transpose is equal to so it will be 7, 6 down here, then -1, 0 here. This will be our final answer for the matrix. The question B, it says find x for which AB. So AB is equal to C. So my AB here, my A is 2. Okay. 3, 1, 0. And here it means here there's multiplication here, so there's time multiplication here, and my B is -1 x 0 2, then is equal to, so it means there's multiplication here. Okay, A times B, AB, which is AB. Then my C is 7, -1, 6, and 0 here. Yeah, good. So now they want us to find the value of x. So the first thing, since here AB means A times B, so first I need to multiply A times B. So I need to multiply this matrix times this matrix. So I'll start with a row by column, in fact. So 2 times -1 plus 3 times x. So I'll say 2 times -1, which is -2, then plus 3 times x, which is 3x. Good. Then I'll come down again. 1 times -1, which is -1, plus x times 0, which is 0. Now go this side. Again, I'll say 2 times 0 is 0, plus 3 times 2, which is 6. Then again, I'll come here. 1 times 0 is 0, plus 0 times 2, 0 again here. Now do like this. Then is equal to 7, -1, 6, then 0 here. Good. So now what I'll do here, I'll simplify. -2 plus 3x, it remains the same, which is -2 plus x. Then -1 plus 0 is -1, like this. 0 plus 6, it's 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then it's equal to this. So 7, 6, -1, 0. So as you can see, this part is equal to this part, and it is true because this -1 is equal to -1, 0 is equal to 0, 6 is equal to 6. Then this part now must be equal to 7 So I'm going to equate now. Say -2x. Sorry. This is -2 plus x must be equal to this part is equal to this part, which is equal to 7. Then I'll find the value for x now here. So this x is equal to 7. this negative, so after crossing it will be plus 2. So x is equal to 9. Good. So this is a value for x here. This is how we're supposed to solve this question, in fact. Then I go to question 2. It's almost a similar question. Given that this is a matrix, so there's a multiplication here is equal to 24. Find the value of x. So what I'll do, I'll multiply row by column. So I'll say 1 times 1, which is 1, then plus 2 times x, which is 2x, plus 3 times 5, 15, then is equal to 24 as a matrix here. Then I'll try to simplify to group like them together here. So this is 2x plus 15 plus 1 is equal to 24 like this. Good. So I'll add 15 plus 1. So 2x plus 16 is equal to 24 like this. So as you can see, this part is equal to this part. So I'll just get this one as an equation. So I'll say 2x plus 16 is equal to 24. Then I'll group like them together here. So I'll say 2x is equal to 24 minus 16. So this 16 after crossing also going to be negative. So 2x is equal to 24 minus 16. So we need to find 24 minus 16. And this is a pound question, no calculator. So 24 minus 16, the answer is 8. So I'm going to write 8 here, over 2 here, over 2 here. Good. So I'll cancel 2 and 2. Then I'll say x is equal to 2 into 8 is 4. So the answer here is x equal to 4. Then the next question, solve the equation. So this one's very simple. I'm going to group like them together, or in fact don't have like them here. So I'm going to transfer negative. So I'm going to avoid this negative. So I'll take negative 27 to the power x to the other side. So here I remain with 81 is equal to, after crossing also to be positive. So it will be 27 to the power x. So now, since this is a power, so I need to have the same base. So I'll raise each number to the power, 3 to the power 4 here, which is same as 81, is equal to again. Then again here 3 to the power 3, which is same as 27 to the power x. So I'll write 3 to the power 4 is equal to, then 3, remember, under indices, I need to multiply the powers. So 3 times x to be 3x here. So now, since I have same base here, I have same base, so I'm going to cancel this. So 4 is equal to 3x. Since I'm looking for x, so I'm going to say over 3. You cancel here. So x is equal to 4. 3 into 4, it's 1. Remainder 1 over 3 as a final answer for this part. Hope it's clear. Then I go to next question. Next question, which says solve the equation again. Solve the equation. So I'll say solve the equation. So since I have 4y squared minus 8y, so I'm going to factorize here. So what's common here is 4y is common. Then 4y into 4y squared, I'll remain with y. Then minus 4y into 8y. So 4 into 8 is 2. Then y cancel here, since y is outside the bracket, then is equal to 0. Then now I'll get this part is equal to 0 and this part is equal to 0. So I'll say 4y is equal to 0, or y minus 2 is equal to 0 as well. Then from here, I'll say over 4 here and over 4 here. I'll cancel this one. So y is equal to is 4 into 0, the answer is 0. Or y, this 2 go this side, so to be is equal to what? 2. So the answer is y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. I got next question. This is also 2x to the power 3 is equal to 16. So look at the thing here. 2 can go into 2 and 2 can go into 16. So I'm going to say 2x to the power 3 is equal to 16. So I will say over 2 here you cancel. So x to the power 3 is equal to, so 2 to the power 16 is 8. So now here this cube root, this is the power 3. So which means I'm going to cube root this 3 to the power 3, even here is cube root of 8. Good, so that 3 and 3 can cancel. So x is equal to, the cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 to give us 8. So the answer is 2 here. You end. Now again here, I'm going to try to group like term together. So I'll say 4x squared minus 9x is equal to 0. Good. Then I'll factorize x here. So x is common. So x open bracket. So x into 4x squared, I mean with 4x, then minus 9 is equal to 0. Then here again, I will equate each part is equal to 0. So this part, which is x is equal to 0, or 4x minus 9 is equal to 0 as well. Okay, right from here. Then since x is equal to 0, or 4x to be equal to 9, because after crossing also this one be positive. So I'll say over 4 you cancel. So x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 4 into 9 is 2, remainder 1 over 4. So these are the two answers, x equal to 0 or x equal to 1 over 4. Then the second last question is saying that x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 9. So the best way for us to eliminate this part, because we're looking for x, so we're going to reciprocate the power. So what I mean here is I'll say x to the power 1 over 3. So I'll multiply because this is 1 over 3. So I'll multiply the power by 3 here. Then it's equal to 9. Also I'll multiply by 3 here. Because I know that this 3 and this 3 will cancel. So I'll remain with x is equal to, so 9 times 9 times 9. We find the answer here. Because this is x to the power 1 over 3. So to the power 3. So what I'll do, I've considered this 3. So I've multiplied, because I know when I say 1 over 3 times 3, the reciprocal of this one is 3 over 1. 1 over 3, the reciprocal of this one is 3 over 1. So it means you have done 3 over 1, so that the 3 and the 3 can cancel. So what I remain with the x alone here. So x is equal to, so now whatever I've done this side, even this side I need to do the same, since I've said x to the power 1 over 3 to the power 3. So even here I had to put to the power 3. Good. So now, so this 3 and 3 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. So I'll remain with the x to the power 9 to the power 3. So 9 times 9 is 81. Then 81 times 9, the answer is 729. So x is equal to 729. The final answer here. Then I'll go to last question. So this one, don't need to worry. Don't try to expand. You just get this part, which is 2x minus 5. You say is equal to 0, or x plus 3 is equal to 0 as well. So 2x is equal to 5, or x is equal to negative 3. Or before that. Okay, that's okay. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So I'll say this 5 will go this side, so to be negative, it will be positive, I mean. So, and also this 3 will cross to be negative. So I'll say over 2 here, so cancel. So x is equal to 2 into 5, it will be 2, remainder 1 over 2. Or again here, x is equal to negative 3. So these are the final answers. Thank you very much. This is just a simple revision. Thanks.